This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started. Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Chef John, and today I'm going to be making you a staple for any holiday, smoked yellow squash casserole. It is delicious, nutritious, and fun for the whole family. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I've got here are some delicious yellow squash. Now, I don't know where you guys get your yellow squash from, but mine don't come pre-cleaned. So we're gonna go ahead and wash these off. We're gonna go ahead and slice these things up, taking the ends off, and then we're just gonna cut half moon shapes. So we're gonna cut it in half. Little chef tip, the more consistent you could keep the sizes, the more evenly your casserole is going to cook. Guys, put in the comment section below your favorite casserole. I would love to know. All right, now we have our squash all cut up. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on probably my favorite accessory that we sell at recteq. It is that non-stick grilling mat. This thing is dishwasher safe and it is awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and throw our vegetables on, our yellow squash. All right, so I have the RT590 set at 400 degrees, and we're gonna go ahead and walk this yellow squash right on out to the deck and get it roasting. Let's go. All right, guys, so I went ahead and pulled the squash off of the RT590. You can see how the squash is perfectly wilted. It's looking great, okay? We're gonna set that to the side for a second. The next step is we're gonna go ahead and take our crackers, our Ritz Crackers, and we're gonna crush them up in a bowl. Just using that Kung Fu grip. We're gonna take our cheese and we're gonna add some cheese to it and just mix that around until everybody's getting to know each other and happy on the inside. All right, so now our next step, we're gonna take our eggs, we're gonna give them a little beat. Okay, we're gonna add our onions to it. We're just gonna move those around, getting them all nice and lovely. Now, we're gonna add our milk. So we've added egg, milk, and onion to this bowl. We're gonna go ahead and drop in our squash, mix this around. All right, now a little bit of butter. It's already smelling delicious. All right, so now I have some Ben's Heffer Dust. We're gonna go ahead and throw a couple tablespoons and a little bit of that Colden's Freakin Greek. All right, now we're gonna take half of our cracker cheese mixture. We're gonna put it right in. We have a cast iron skillet. I've got a little bit of butter. We're just gonna go ahead and grease this cast iron skillet up. It's really gonna help ensure that nothing sticks. And it's also gonna add a little bit of flavor. All right, so now we're gonna add our squash mixture to our cast iron. We're gonna hit it with a little bit more seasoning over the top, a little bit of that Ben's Heffer Dust, a little bit of that Colden's Freakin Greek. Beautiful. Last but not least, we're gonna take the last bit of that cracker cheese mixture and we're just gonna go right over the top. So we're gonna take a little bit, pinches of butter, just pea-sized pieces. We're just gonna place it all the way around. Butter, it's not just for breakfast anymore, it's also for your casserole. All right, guys, so this yellow smoked squash casserole is almost done. We've got all the ingredients assembled. Now all we have to do is go out to the RT590. I have it set at 400 degrees. We're gonna place the cast iron on there. It's gonna take about 35 to 45 minutes to get it GBD, golden brown delicious. All right, come on, let's go outside. Well, guys, This smoked yellow casserole looks delicious. It's got a great smell to it, imparted by those Kingsford pellets, the signature Kingsford pellets. That hickory, maple, and cherry really impart a sweet, savory, hearty flavor. Man, this smoked yellow squash casserole looks delicious. But while no one's looking, I'm gonna go ahead and get a bite. So delicious. Make you want to slap your mama kind of good. Make sure you subscribe to recteq and Kingsford's YouTube channel for content like this and much, much more. I'm Chef John, and I'll see you guys at the recteq. Man, this was so good.